Okay, so we are off. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Road trip. Nothing to we didn't get so right. We look like we just robbed that bag. You look noisy. Oh, God.
It's so Jane. It's your son hot.
Lock up abroad. It's going to the beach. The police is here. Good morning, guys. I'm about to leave home now. It is now about almost 6:30 and I'm gonna go pick up my friends and we're gonna just head out, so stay tuned. Can't talk long. See you soon. Okay, so we are off. So I am about to pick up my friends. I called because don't want to be waiting outside too long. So while I'm getting there, they can get ready. Them say, oh, because I'm like, I'm 5 minutes out, and them say, oh, well, by the time you reach, I'll be ready. So let's see. I'm at person number one's house. It's so great that I don't have to wait on him, like we are on the same page. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. He looks like he just got up. I'm such a morning person. Hi, beautiful. Hi. 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 Road trip. Are we ready? Are we ready, guys? Put on your seatbelts because I don't have insurance.
I'm so used to
We should have gotten more. Can we go get more? No, that's not how. Nothing to put on food. Are we being ghetto right? We look like we just robbed that bag. Listen, we have to forward plan, alright? Forward plan. What? We're making good time? Yay!
Then again, I got the Civic.
We're here. It is what, 9 o'clock? What time is it?
it's 9:15.
Hey, I will stop to eat. She don't business bottles. So anybody come yet?
Yeah, man. This is the second machine.
Oh, darn. The place is so quiet though. It looks just like in the pictures. I'm so happy. Like seaweed. We stayed at the beach. Yes, it's a video. It's a video.
All of a sudden,
Yep. True. Yeah. Look at Sam. So I'm going to have the time of
Can I
his
tell you?
life. it's not nice. Yep. Now it's gonna look like I peed myself when I come out.
Well then.
Let me.
Yeah, just wait yourself, girl.
Go down.
2, 3.
Listen.
Oh my god.
Go down.
No, when they said Maria kill it, then I mean my friend.
Exactly.
This is chef before lavish.
You watch those TikTok
Before
videos?
lavish.
You look nice. You're glowing, melanin queen.
The police is here.
What the Jeep coming up? But now what the Jeep coming up? Come.
What did they say?
Hey, if you know what I'm saying. You find out what I'm saying here? I'm not gonna know Jeep friend. Where them come from?
They're the Coast Guard.
No, but hope. Listen them pull up.
Them just come around the corner.
She was on an episode of Locked Up. Locked Up Abroad. It's going to the beach.
Finally. Oh god. Oh my. She's finally here. She's finally here. Listen, I'm going to pocket her. I take dibs.
I feel like
she can't manage me.
I feel like I already asked. I already said I was going to.
No, she's
I
mine.
feel like you're.
You guys are glowing.
We are?
Yes.
My lovely friend Lexi.
Lovely.
I think it's a lot. We shared drinks together. I drank all of it, but we still shared drinks. You know?
Silent heart.
Bye guys, you were at the Cove. So if I call you,
January 2020. This one, Jane. This is your son. Hot.
So we are leaving now. It's been a day. I'm miserable. I'm tired. I have to drive back to Kingston. And hungry. Yes, we're hungry. Oh my god. Okay. Woo. Where's your map? Yeah. So it's now 2 o'clock and we are heading back. We're going to get some food before we leave and then we're going to be heading back to Kingston. Yeah. Okay.
We have deadline.
It took half a tank.
3:30 now.
Okay guys, so we are back in Kingston. It is around 3:57 and we got to go to the beach. So yeah, I'm gonna just sign off right now and talk to you later. So the gas station is closed. It's 4 o'clock and the gas station is closed. Finally found a gas station.